When I was 15, I borrowed...
You've probably seen one of these videos, a robot voice reading a Reddit story over some Minecraft parkour, getting millions of likes. And you've probably seen the gurus who claim they can automate an entire channel to produce these videos and print money while you sleep. What you haven't seen is the truth. I wrote my own code to build a perfect version of their system. I built a fully autonomous bot that generates, edits, and renders unique videos from scratch, and a brand new channel to run for 20 days. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, how much money it made, and what this means for the future of YouTube. To build a money printing channel, we first need to reverse engineer the product. Faceless automation isn't art, it's the manufacturing process. Unlike classic content making, like this one, where our creator spends dozens of hours writing scripts, recording lines, finding memes, and editing, you want to treat a video like an assembly line. Raw materials go in, and a finished file comes out, and you wake up to that sweet ad revenue. A standard viral short is just 3 variables stacked on top of each other. 1. Retention, usually satisfying brain rot footage. 2. The content, a Reddit story or a fact. And 3. The delivery, a text-to-speech voiceover. Step 1 was the easy part. I downloaded a folder full of copyright-free satisfying footage, sand cutting, slime, hydraulic presses, and their garbage, and scripted a quick crop to force into vertical mobile format. Brain rot, done. Next, I needed the actual Reddit post. Now, I could have written a scraper to pull real posts off Reddit, but that is a lot of work and we're trying to be lazy assholes. You have to filter for TOS violations, dodge banned words, and hope the content is actually interesting. So I chose the easier option, ChatGPT API. For $10, I bought enough credits to generate about 100 scripts. Yes, I understand that I invested money, but hey, what is $10? I'm about to make thousands, right? Next, I built a randomizer that combined keywords, like NASA, astronaut, or space, and sent them to GPT. I didn't want to produce hallucinating misinformation, I am not that much of an asshole, so I had it output verified fun facts. The GPT will send me the title and content text in a JSON I could extract. But raw text isn't a video, I need a visual. Instead of opening Photoshop for every single frame, cause that's work! I use Selenium. Basically, it's a library that lets Python legally hijack a web browser. It sees what a human sees, but it operates at the speed of code. I pointed the bot to a fake Reddit post generator. It navigates to the URL, injects the GPT text, toggles dark mode, because obviously, and screenshots the element. Video content. Done. The next problem was the voice.
A coconut is botanically classified as a fruit, specifically a fibrous, one-seeded...
I don't know about you, but the second I hear the default robot text-to-speech,
my brain just committed suicide.
I didn't want to subject you or myself to that, so once again I opened my wallet. I paid about another $10 for 100 videos worth of credits on a premium voice API. Once again, I'm investing into the future. Now we run into a different problem. To you and me, this screenshot is the story. We can read it. But to the computer, it's just a flat image with a bunch of pixels. The code has zero idea where the text is, which line is which, or when to reveal it. How do we teach a blind script to read along? Step 1. Timestamps. I ran the audio through OpenAI's Whisper. This one is free, to find out when was every word spoken. Step 2. Geometry. I wrote a function to calculate the pixel width of every single character. If the letter A is, say, 10 pixels wide, and this line has 50 letters A, I know exactly where the line ends. All I gotta do now is create a blur with a crop out length of 500 pixels. Finally, we have to put it all together, and we get the voiceover with ruling text. Voice line acquired. Finally, we gotta edit the damn thing. Right now, I'm editing this video, the one you're watching, inside of DaVinci Resolve. It takes hours of dragging, dropping, and cutting. But my bot doesn't have hands, it can't use a mouse, how does it edit? The answer is MoviePy, the Python library that lets you edit video using code. Instead of dragging a clip to timeline, you write video.setPosition, center. I wrote a not-so-quick script to stack the brain rot, the overlay image, sync the unblur effect to the audio, import the audio, and then render the final MP4. In the end, we get a product something like this.
D's nuts. The coconut is not a nut. A coconut is botanically classified as a fruit, specifically a fibrous, one-seeded drupe, like a peach or olive, with an outer skin, fleshy, middle, the white meat, and hard inner shell, surrounding the seed.
Editing. Done. I was planning to have it automatically upload to YouTube, but that's kind of hard to set up, so I just did it manually. I did this for the next 20 days. It wasn't perfect, I missed a few days dealing with some health issues, but the content was out there. Day 20, the experiment was over. I was browsing the Lamborghini configurator trying to decide between Temerario and REUPLOAD. I mean, why keep a job when a Python script is printing free money? This system was perfect. I logged into YouTube Studio, ready to retire, and I saw this. There's nothing here. Most videos got 0 views. Some peaked at a staggering 2. After 20 days of perfect automation, the channel, which I named Facts and Non-Examples, or Fake, had earned exactly 1 subscriber, which is me from the other channel. So, no Lambo? But why? The code worked. The video looked exactly like the viral ones, the audio was better than everyone else's, and I followed every single step that these YouTube gurus promised me when making the automation channel. So, Why did YouTube kill it? It wasn't bad luck and I wasn't shadow banned. Well, I was, but not in that sense. The truth is much simpler.
He lied to me.
I was following a map that leads off a cliff. YouTube updated their monetization policies. They added a specific kill switch for repetitious or inauthentic content. Now, think about this from an engineering perspective. Streaming video is cheap, but it isn't free. Every second my video plays, it costs Google money in storage and bandwidth. If that video isn't showing ads, it's not just making zero profit, it is generating a net loss. But it gets worse. YouTube's core algorithm has one goal: retention. They need to stay on the app so they can show you more videos, which in return means they can show you more ads, which means they can make more money. AI slop creates bad user experience. If a potential viewer watches my robotic low-effort video, gets annoyed and closes the app, that viewer is gone. By leaving the app, he will see no more future videos which might have been good, where both the creator and YouTube could have made money from AdSense. So by promoting these garbage AI channels, YouTube will be paying real money to drive their own viewers off the platform. It's not just a bad video, it is business suicide, which is why the algorithm killed it with fire. And that is the dirty secret they don't tell you. All those gurus selling you courses on automated cash cows, they're selling a strategy that died 2 years ago. My failure proves that quality still matters. It proves that you can't cheat the system. If you want YouTube to promote your videos, you gotta make content that people want to watch, that they'll come back for onto the app to watch specifically your content.
Just like you can tell YouTube you like what you see by watching this video right here. I built an AI that self-taught itself to play Connect 4. The results were certainly interesting. Either way, thank you for watching.